What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Stay by Justin Bieber and the Kid LAROI. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I might take your auntie for a night out on the town. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and you're going to capo up to the first fret. If you need a free capo, I have a link for one in the video description below. If you need the guitar tab, I will have that in the video description as well. So if you need either of those, jump into the video description once you get done. They'll be there for you. I am going to show you the lead part for the song, how you can pick that, and I will show you the chords for the song as well. So we're going to start with the lead. You're going to start with your thumb on the first fret of the low E. Pick that there. Pick your open B string. Index finger on the first fret of B string, pinky finger on the third fret of the high E, back to the first fret on the B string. Next up, ring finger on the third fret of the low E, and then you're going to pick open B, one on B, and then G string. So low E on 3, open B, one on B, open G. So from the top, then next up, you're going to pick this almost the same exact way as your first chord. You're just going to pick open A instead of 1 on the low E. So you're going to go open A, B, 1 on B, 3 on E, back to 1 on B. The same way as the first formation, just open A instead of the low E string. And then you're going to go open E string, open B, 1 on B, open G, 2 on G. So I'm going to play that all together very, very slowly so you can see what all those parts look like together. So starting from the top. So that's the lead part for the song. Now we'll show you just the chords that you can strum through. You're going to start with an F. I'm using an F major 7. You can do the full bar chord, but I'm just doing an F major 7 here. That's your thumb on the low E string on the first fret, ring finger 3rd fret A, pinky finger 3rd fret D, and then your middle finger 2nd fret G, index finger 1st fret on the high B. And I'm letting the high E string ring open. Then a G chord, ring finger 3rd fret low E, middle finger 2nd fret A, pinky finger 3rd fret high E. then an A minor, which is middle finger 2nd fret D, ring finger 2nd fret G, index finger 1st fret on the B, and then E minor, take that index finger off and move both your middle and your ring finger down 1 string, and that's going to be 2nd fret on the A string with your middle finger, 2nd fret on the D string with your ring finger. Once you get the chords down, you just need your strumming pattern. It's very simple. It's just down, down, up, down, up, 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 throughout all the chords. It looks like down, down, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, up. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.